I'm Cyril Becker, CTO of Alterway Cloud Consulting, a French consulting company specializing in cloud computing and workload based on containers. Today, I'm going to introduce you to one great service that we absolutely love on Alibaba. It's ACK, Alibaba Container Service for Kubernetes. We will see together how to deploy and manage your ACK cluster and also some cool features. So let's start by the beginning of your ACK journey. Create your first cluster. There are two approaches to create your cluster. Directly on the Alibaba web portal or with infrastructure as code tools. From the console, you can deploy a cluster from scratch or use predefined templates to save time. ACK supports infrastructure as code tools like Terraform, Pulumi, and the tools developed by Alibaba themselves, such as Aliyun CLI, Arc, and ACK SDK. I'm pretty sure you will find the right tools to integrate you easily. 4 Kubernetes ACK models are available on Alibaba. Managed Kubernetes. You only need to create worker nodes. Container service for Kubernetes, create and manage master nodes. This type of Kubernetes cluster is easy to use with low cost and high availability. You can focus on the business without the need to manage the master node of the Kubernetes cluster. Dedicated Kubernetes. You must create 3 master nodes and several worker nodes for a dedicated Kubernetes cluster to achieve high availability. This type of Kubernetes cluster allows you to manage the cluster infrastructure in a more fine-grained manner. It requires you to plan, maintain, and upgrade the Kubernetes cluster on your own. Serverless Kubernetes. You do not need to create and manage any master node or worker node. You can use the Container Service Console or command line interface to configure resources for containers, specify container image for application, provide methods for external access, and start application. Managed Kubernetes. This type of cluster supports edge computing and fully managed edge node to help you reduce O&M costs. It provides support for autonomous edge and networks and meet the various needs of edge computing scenarios. Register cluster. You may deploy multiple Kubernetes clusters across different regions in the cloud or on-premise. You can register external cluster and manage this cluster in the console. Predefined templates allow you to quickly deploy and optimize ACK cluster for specific tasks like edge computing or confidential computing cluster. Terraform is an open source infrastructure as code software tools that provide a consistent CLI workflow to manage hundreds of cloud services. Terraform codified Cloud API into declarative configuration file. A Terraform module is available for ACK to allow you to easily manage your cluster. The AliCloud CS Kubernetes resource inside this module allow you to handle all of the cluster configuration and manage the lifecycle easily. This approach is very popular. Another popular tool that is supported by ACK is Pulumi. You can deploy easily your cluster in Go or Python, for example. With Pulumi, you use general-purpose languages to express desirable state to manage your infrastructure. You can also, of course, use the tools developed by Alibaba themselves, for example, Aliyun CLI. With just a simple JSON post, you can trigger the creation of your cluster or manipulate any option like the Kubernetes version. Arc is another brand new Alibaba Cloud CLI environment oriented to resourcification. It's a collection of multiple command line tools. Arc call all Alibaba Cloud Resource commands supported by Arc. Arc tools call related commands of Arc itself. Arc CS calls CS related resource commands. And Arc Display supports query results with GMS path and custom output format. Last but not least, you can use ACK SDK to manage your cluster in your preferred languages like Python or Go. This is great for more deep integration in your own products or tools. Now that you know how to create an ACK cluster, let's take a look at some cool features together. ACK supports 2 container runtimes on Node. It supports Docker, but also Containerd as a sandboxed container. You can also choose 2 different CNI depending the feature you want. Flannel, a simple popular CNI, good for hybrid cluster, but it doesn't support network policy that allow you to control traffic between services in the cluster. Terway is a more advanced CNI built by Alibaba for ACK. It's integrated with Felix from Calico and Cilium to have more features. Terway network policy can be implemented by integrating Project Calico Felix component or Cilium in the IP VLAN mode. Cilium watch network policy and service configuration, and inject eBPF program into pod's IPVLAN slave device. ACK support two types of standard kubeproxy in your cluster, IP tables or IPVS. A great feature to manage your RBAC, role-based access control, is the integration with RAM, Alibaba Cloud Identity Management Service. It's fully integrated with predefined roles such as administrator, developer, or restricted user. You can also customize and create your own role on RAM. Multiple storage classes for data persistencies are available by default in ACK to get better I/O performance or reduce your cost. Ali Cloud Disk Common, a basic standard Alibaba Cloud Disk, Ali Cloud Disk Efficiency, an Alibaba Cloud Ultra Disk, and Ali Cloud Disk SSD, a dedicated SSD disk for maximum performance. Virtual Node allows you to dynamically create pods based on your business requirements and provide flexibility without the trouble of cluster capacity sizing. You can use Virtual Node in the following scenario to significantly reduce computing cost and improve computing efficiently. Online businesses with periodic traffic patterns, such as online education and e-commerce. Virtual nodes significantly reduce computing cost by optimizing resource pool maintenance. Virtual node effectively reduce cost in computing scenario where Spark or Presto is used to process data or CI/CD pipeline like Jenkins or GitLab Runner. Another cool feature on ACK is the integration with the standard tools like Prometheus for monitoring. You can use your forward tool to get metrics from Prometheus. You can also access all your service logs and control plane logs. ACK provides also native ingress metrics and ingress dashboards to analyze network traffic. All these features are really interesting and allow you to meet your different project needs. ACK is a complete product. To conclude, ACK is a full-feature managed Kubernetes service by Alibaba and is certified by the Certified Kubernetes Conformance Program. It gives you a large number of possibilities of use such compute, big data, or edge. It is secure and easily manageable, and it fits well into the Alibaba Cloud ecosystem. That's all for me. I hope you will try all the features of ACK yourself soon on Alibaba Cloud. Thank you!